To crypto for Shiba Inus. Elon Musk is deceiving everyone. Huge Shiba Inus move forward. The latest breaking news from SHIB today. The price of Shiba Inus appeared to be heading straight towards 0.0000738 USD as the fall gained momentum following last week's meetings of the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank. It seems like traders had hit a wall for the year. The previous week was quite dramatic, but Tuesday's surprise announcement from the Bank of Japan had several G7 currencies falling by more than 3% vs the yen. Cryptocurrencies are doing well as a result of the concerted depreciation of fiat currencies like the euro, the US dollar, and the British pound. Elon Musk is pulling a fast one on us all, and there's a huge Shiba Inu change. Coming up in this video, the latest on Shiba injuries. Subscribing, sharing, and giving the thumbs up are essential. Find out what our experts have to say about the future of the Shiba Inu cost and how to buy one. Now let's get the video started. On Monday, the price of Shiba Inus dropped by 4%, continuing their precipitous fall that began in December. Shiba Inu bulls are recouping more than 3% of Monday's losses and are even teasing the possibility of recouping all of their losses as the price action of Shiba flipped around on Monday. If the price action this week could be transformed into a green candle on the weekly chart, it would represent a substantial positive shift. That being said, SHIB should aim to break over $0.000000 if possible. Once that level is taken, bulls will be able to continue their rise and target the 55-day simple moving average, which is near $0.0000000000000972 for potential profit taking. If that's the case, we might see a price hike of 18% by Christmas this year. Most all-tail risks for 2022 will persist into 2023, which is a problem for bulls because the markets could be in for a bad surprise. The European Union is still facing challenges with its energy sources, the war in Ukraine has not concluded, and central banks have failed to significantly reduce inflation. The combination of these factors suggests that the Shiba Inu price might fall back to 0.0000738 USD. Unfortunately, the Shibarium improvement wasn't the result of the much-anticipated Shiba Inu countdown. A few days ago, the official SHIB website displayed a cryptic countdown, leading the community to speculate on its possible outcome. The impending Shibarium, according to many users, could be the subject of the announcement. The forthcoming Shibarium scaling solution will increase the efficiency of the SHIB ecosystem, allowing users to enjoy faster and cheaper transactions. Similar to its Layer 1 Ethereum counterpart, the network will use a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Once the Layer 2 solution becomes live, Shiba Inu holders can stake some coins and become validators on the chain. Nevertheless, investors were hoping that the countdown would lead up to the highly anticipated. It became clear that the announcement was merely a website update. Developers came out and addressed the problem after several community members expressed their anger about the announcement on Twitter. The project's primary creator, Satoshi Kusama, issued an apology to the SHIB's followers, saying that he completely gets how the countdown could have been misleading. We understand some may be upset as you were expecting an update on the much-anticipated Shibarium, said Chofius, who works on the SHIB website. In all honesty, we can't possibly launch everything simultaneously. Just a few days ago, Chofius intimated that the website upgrade would be the countdown's announcement. As the developer had tweeted, "Updating our main website should be our first priority. This is the initial stride we're taking towards the beta launch of Shibarium. And it was very necessary." There has been some good news for Shiba Inu owners recently, despite their disappointment with the reveal. While browsing Binance in 2022, SHIB was among the top 3 cryptocurrencies. According to Binance, Shiba Inu was one of the 3 most watched crypto assets in 2022, joining the 2 dominant blockchains, proving the immense popularity of the breed. Already, the Shiba token has a tremendous impact on the cryptocurrency market. Centralized exchanges' high SHIB reserves reflecting users' holdings provide evidence of this. In terms of reserves, SHIB is responsible for almost $500 million at Binance, nearly $300 million at Crypto.com, and over $36 million at KuCoin, according to statistics from CoinMarketCap. After Bitcoin and Ethereum, and sometimes the exchange's native token, the Shiba token is among the most valuable assets on any large CEX. Being a popular but inactive asset isn't good enough for the Shiba team's Bitcoin. The Shibarium layer, which will comprise an exchange, metaverse, NFT, GameFi, DAO, etc., is set to arrive soon on blockchain, and the community is getting ready for it, according to BSC News. Elon Musk has taken 40 hours to respond to a public poll that demanded his resignation as Twitter CEO. As soon as I discover someone naive enough to accept the position of CEO, I will step down, Musk tweeted on Tuesday night. After that, I'll be responsible for leading the service and software teams. A self-initiated survey by Musk found that 17 million Twitter followers, or 57.5% of the total, supported Musk's resignation, prompting the revelation. Rather than officially accepting the results as expected, Musk threw doubt on the veracity of the survey. Anonymous Twitter users weren't the only ones who demanded Musk's resignation. Some of Musk's outside investors have even demanded that he devote more time to Tesla and less to Twitter. The stock price of Musk's more profitable company, Tesla, has dropped dramatically in recent weeks, and they've watched as the turmoil on Twitter diverts his attention away from it. It is puzzling that Musk, who has long stated his intention to step down as Twitter's CEO, seems so resistant to accepting the poll's results, which demanded that he terminate his disorganized tenure as CEO. Despite the fact that the poll ended hours ago, Musk nonetheless headed to Twitter first thing Monday AM to comment on the results. It sparked doubts over the validity of the findings. He participated in a Twitter conversation when one person claimed that a bot army loyal to the deep state was manipulating the election in his favor. In response to another user's suggestion that polls should only be accessible to paid Twitter Blue subscribers, Musk responded in the same thread. He assured me that Twitter will implement that modification. When it comes to making big choices at Twitter, Musk's unpredictable leadership style loves to use polls. For instance, Musk rapidly adopted the results that were slightly in favor of restoring former US President Donald Trump's account when he asked Twitter users if they should do so. Musk reactivated Trump's account and tweeted hours after the polls closed, stating that the people had spoken. On this occasion, however, Musk was slow to act. Market research firm Harris polled people and reported that 61% wanted Musk to remain on board. Musk responded to their tweet on Tuesday. Even before he purchased Twitter, Musk has griped about the platform's bots. Attempting to back out of the contract, he brought up the platform's bot problem. However, Musk has promised to remove Twitter's bot population since he gained control. If he wasn't quite convinced of the results of the Twitter poll on his own leadership's fate, it was puzzling that he would do it. Again, though, Musk has every intention of finding a new CEO for Twitter at some point. He informed a Delaware court in November that he plans to eventually hire someone else to operate Twitter and limit his time there. But Musk seems to be dragging his feet in part because he couldn't find a suitable substitute. No one is interested in being the one to genuinely keep Twitter going. Musk tweeted on Sunday that there is no one to take over. After that, on Tuesday, in response to an NBC report that he is seeking a new chief executive officer, he used laughing emojis. Musk appears to be prepared to move forward after setting an artificial deadline to accomplish something he had previously desired. The day came to an end with that. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.